the street where names were taken, where silence learned to scream. A spark fell into our hands and turned to something we could keep. They said, bow your head, be still. They said, this is how it's always been. But a heartbeat broke the pavement, and the night learned how to sing. Every scar remembers, every tear knows why. What they tried to bury learned to rise. Woman, life, freedom, say it loud, say it clear. Woman, life, freedom, we are still here. From the breath in our bodies to the fire in our names. Woman, same fear, different tongues, same hunger for a future drawing near. Hair in the wind like banners, steps in time like drums. They can break our bones with laws, but not the song on our tongues. You can cut the flowers, but the roots survive. Under stone and shadow, we stay alive. Woman, life, freedom, say it loud, say it clear. Woman, life, freedom, we are still here. Not a crime, not a whisper, not a borrowed flame. Woman, life, freedom, say the name. This is not a moment, this is not a trend. It's 1,000 stolen mornings demanding to begin. If justice has a heartbeat, it sounds like us tonight. Barefoot on the ashes, learning how to fight. Woman, life, freedom, from the cradle to the grave. Woman, life, freedom, nothing left to beg or pray. If tomorrow asks who stood up when the world looked away, say, woman, life, freedom. Till the world